welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang maketrx.com. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito? Ilagay lamang ating mobile number, login password, security password, and then yung ating invite code. Then so once na mapilifan nyo na siya guys, click nyo lang to sign up. So yun nga guys, no, once na nakapag-sign up or register na tayo dito, and then once na nakapag-login na rin tayo dito, merong daily revenue and promotion sa atin si maketrx.com. So, welcome to maketrx.com, mining investment official website, international brand, authorization, authoritative minerals. MakeTRX.com Mining is one of the world's leading mining companies with more than 10 self-built mines in global cooperative mining. So MakeTRX.com Mining Blockchain Computing Power Ecosystem TRX. So more than 1 million mining machines are integrated in 19 countries and regions around the world. In December 2021, Throne miners made nearly $3 billion, make TRX the latest money-making project of 2022, follows the concept of centralized and decentralized networks. So, www.maketrx.com is Throne's largest mining pool. Join us and grow together. Note: cloud mining is real mining. We are not a trading or gaming site. Our technicians distribute computing power through your deposit. Your daily TRX revenue is stable and long term. As long as the wave field exists, we will generate revenue forever. We will have two verses: the rules, basic wallet, and the promotional wallets. The rules: the basic wallet must be successfully invested. Active 5 TRX to activate the wallet. Then TRX can be extracted daily. The promotional wallet is used to share tertiary investment rebates with friends and family. There is no limit on withdrawals. You can withdraw all your cash at any time. Choose a wallet and withdraw cash once a day. If you have any question, please feel free to contact customer service. Official Telegram customer service t.me/trx3339, and then official Telegram group link t.me/maketrx999. Then the white paper company maketrx.com/mobile/about/info.html. Professional mining integrity company looking for the only official link www.maketrx.com. So invite register maketrx.com/mobile/register.html. Question code is equal to II9G. So invitation code is II9G. Then please copy the URL to register and start making money. So first, receive 3,000 tier experience currency directly after registration. So the second one is the withdrawal rate of basic wallet investment. And then minimal capital, the minimum daily profit of 5 tier X 5%. Withdrawal money from the platform every day. Cumulative of 5 to 40,000 tier X, minimum daily profit of 2.5%. Cumulative of 40,000 and 1 to 200,000 TRX, minimum daily profit of 3.5%. Cumulative of 40,000 and 1 to 200,000 TRX, minimum daily profit of 5%. And then cumulative of 500,000 and 1 to 100,000 TRX, minimum daily profit of 7%. And then cumulative of 100,000 and 1 to 9,999,999 TRX, minimum daily profit of 9. Good news, one recharge long-term benefits. And then third, profit reward criteria for recommending friends. You can make money without saving. So level 1 charges you can get a 10% commission. And then level 2 charges you can get a 4% commission. And then the level 3 charges, you can get 2% commission. The more junior members you refer, the more commission you earn per day. So the daily income standard after BAP 1 to 5 upgraded are as follows. Minimum funds 5 TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit per percent. The higher the level, the higher the daily withdrawal profit. And then BAP 1 TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit of 4%. And then BAP 2 accumulated 4,001 to 200,000 TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit is 6%. And then BAP 3 accumulated of 200,001 to 500,000 TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit is 8%. And then BAP4 accumulated of 500,001 to 1 million TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit is 10%. And then BAP5 accumulated over 1 million TRX minimum daily withdrawal profit of 15%. And then official Telegram customer service t.me/TRX3339, and then official Telegram group link t.me/MakeTRX999. So yun guys, so once na nakapag-sign up and login na tayo sa ating site, merong total balance sa atin dito si maketrx.com na 3,000 TRX. So magtungo tayo sa ating trading. So in case once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit of 24-hour settlement. Cloud9 is working positive per percent. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating invest. So in case once na nakatungo tayo sa ating invest, we have here the product list. So DeFi stake range 5 to 1,000 TRX 2.2% daily. Then DeFi stake range 1,000 to 50,000 TRX 3% daily. And then DeFi stake range of 100,000 to 5 million TRX 5% a day. And then DeFi stake range of 200,000 to 1 million TRX to 7% a day. And then DeFi stake range of 500,000 to 1 million TRX and then 13% a day. So magtungo tayo sa ating share. So yun nga guys, nakatungo tayo sa ating share. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn ng rewards dito sa ating site? So kailangan lang natin i-copy itong referral link natin and then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram, at Messenger at sa ating mga contacts at friends. So sa pamagkikita nun guys, no, makaka-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So magtungo tayo sa ating mine. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, we have here the total balance of 3,000 TRX. And then we have here the deposit and withdrawal. So TRX deposit investment, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So magtungo tayo sa ating deposit. Paano nga ba mag-deposit dito sa ating site? So once na click natin deposit, we have here the basic account and financial account. So investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge into the basic account and receive income according to your Singapore time zone after 24 o'clock every day. So second one is recharge into the financial account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. So note, before investing, please choose a basic account or an financial account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. Magtungo rin tayo sa ating basic account. So yun nga guys, na once nakatungo tayo sa deposit, we have here the recharge and then yung ating QR code. So ito yung copy address natin guys. Kung paano mag-deposit dito, no? Ikakopy lang natin to and then ipipaste natin siya sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So kailangan muna natin mag-withdraw sa ating Binance account at ito yung link na gagamitin natin. Ikakopy lang natin siya guys. So magtungo tayo muna sa ating Binance account. So yun nga guys, no, nandito tayo sa ating Binance account. Magtungo tayo sa ating wallet and then withdraw and then TRX and then send via crypto network So yun nga guys, meron tayo ditong send TRX. So nandito rin yung ating address and then yung ating amount. So yun nga guys, no, kinapin natin yung ating link dun sa ating site. I-paste lang natin siya dito. Ilo-long press lang natin at i-paste dito. So para makapag-deposit tayo ng sa ating site. So ilalagay din natin itong desired amount para makapag-active tayo ng ating sa ating site. So i-paste muna natin siya guys. Fill up muna natin siya guys. So yun nga guys, no, meron na tayo dito send TRX and then yung ating site, yung ating copy address, and then yung ating desired amount. Then click natin itong withdrawal. And confirm. So yun nga guys, may nag-send sa atin na verification code. Ito yung ating cellphone number at Gmail. So click lang natin itong send code para ma-input na natin yung mga verification code. So yun guys, once na na-paste na natin yung ating mga code na nag-send sa ating cellphone number at Gmail, click lang natin itong submit. So yun nga guys, no, request submitted na tayo no, So magtungo tayo sa ating site para i-check kung talagang pumasok yung ating dineposit dun sa yung ating withdraw dito sa ating Binance account. So punta muna tayo sa ating site. So yun nga guys, nandito tayo sa ating site na i-refresh lang natin yung ating site para pumasok yung ating dineposit dito. So yung total balance na natin ngayon guys is 3,004 TRX. So pumasok na nga yung ating dineposit dito no guys. Napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. So paano naman tayo mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw. Click nyo lang itong withdrawal. So yun nga guys, no, once na na-click nyo yung withdrawal, meron tayo ditong basic account balance TRX, 24-hour withdrawal. So ang total balance natin is 3,004 TRX. So meron dito nakalagay na basic account, and then fee, and then address, and then yung security password. Yung fee guys, or yung quotation nyo, or yung desired amount na ilalagay nyo dito, and then yung wallet address nyo sa inyong mga account, katulad ng ating Binance account, ilalagay nyo dito, ipipaste nyo lang siya guys, and then yung security password nyo dito sa ating site. So para once na ma-fill up nyo siya guys, then click nyo lang itong confirm kung saan na siyang papasok sa inyong Binance account. I-check nyo lang siya sa pinaka-last history nyo kung pumasok na inyong withdraw dito sa ating site. So balik tayo sa ating mine. So yun nga guys, no, ganun lang kadali kung paano mag-withdraw at deposit ito sa ating site. Nandito rin yung ating invest. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Napaka-legit ito ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell button para mas updated pa kayo sa mga re-release ko pang mga video.